Devendra Fadnavis, sworn in as Chief Minister of Maharashtra, achieved through 132 tickets victory. Watch for all details. On December 5th, 2024, Fadnavis took the oath as Chief Minister at Azad Maidan in Mumbai. From this day onward, political titans and Bollywood legends were present in full strength to mark the very advent of the Mayuti 2.0 government. Mukesh Ambani and Gautam Adani were in attendance among a host of industrialists. In all, the venue was graced by film stars and cricketers such as Sachin Tendulkar, Shah Rukh Khan and Ranveer Singh, as also Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Minister Amit Shah, JP Nadda and 19 CMs and Deputy CMs from across the country for a grand total running into 42,000. A swearing in of Eknath Shinde, chief of Shiv Sena, and Ajit Pawar from the NCP practically dispelled any notions concerning Shinde's status as a deputy. The BJP, which reached a new high water mark of 132 seats in the elections in Maharashtra, heads the alliance supported by Shiv Sena and NCP. Altogether, the Mayuti alliance has secured a whopping 230 out of the 288 seats in the assembly. The formality was matched with elaborate security arrangements. Safety was ensured by more than 4,000 personnel, including officers of quick response teams, riot control and bomb detection squads. Traffic diversions and 8,000 CCTV cameras were available for smooth proceedings. There was a separate arrangement for 40,000 BJP supporters and 2,000 VVIPs. Fadnavis' political journey. Fadnavis is taking charge for the third time as a chief minister. His first term was from October 2014 until November 2019, followed by a short stint for 5 days in November 2019. Fadnavis was the name proposed for CM in the BJP legislature party meeting, which itself speaks of its faith in its leadership. Eknath Shinde demanded the Home Department along with Deputy Chief Minister post for himself. The talk are likely to be held on the cabinet portfolios with the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. BJP record performance. The best performance that BJP could ever have in any assembly elections in Maharashtra is said to have been achieved through this 132 ticket victory. The formation of such a government signifies a stronger BJP Shiv Sena NCP partnership, and the induction of Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar as deputies would entail other allied interests, so it would pave the way for good governance in the state. This is not just a political ceremony, but an economically equally important occasion in terms of the new Maharashtra as a hub for business, culture and entertainment. Now that Fadnavis is at the helm again, the new journey of governance will commence under the umbrella of Mayuti 2.0.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.